Okay guys, I haven't really filmed myself driving my dad's car, but as you can see, it is April 14th and we have snow. The speed limit on this road is 45. I'm currently going under the speed limit. Luckily I'm in the right lane. Can't drive the mouse mobile today because I had the winters taken off over spring break. I've got the headlights on and the fog lights. Some people don't even drive with their headlights on when it's like this. No, you need to drive with your headlights and fog lights on, and you need to drive under the speed limit. Because in some states, you actually can get a ticket if a cop pulls you over for going the speed limit when the weather is treacherous. Yeah, you got to do what's safe, even if it means driving under the speed limit. And quite frankly, I don't blame people for driving under the speed limit on days like this. That's why the law is there, for a reason. You got to slow down. As I said earlier, you can get a ticket for going the speed limit when it's like this outside.